So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 4 questions to answer on the topic electric field. So guys, this video will be about production of electric current. So sure to stay to the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, which of the following devices transforms light energy to electrical energy? We have A, solar cell, B, bulb, C, light emitting diode, D, television. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's solar energy. So solar energy transforms the light energy from the sun to an electrical energy that can be used. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 2 here. It says, an AC generator can be converted to a DC electric motor by replacing the A, slip ring with a split ring and connecting a battery. B, split ring with a slip ring and connecting a battery. C, AC with DC source and connecting a battery. D, AC and DC source and connecting a split rings. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. By replacing the slip ring with a split ring and then connecting a battery, we can actually convert an AC generator to a DC electric motor. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. And that's question number 3 here. It says, an AC generator can be converted to a DC generator by replacing the A, commutator with an armature, B, slip ring with a commutator, C, armature with a commutator, D, commutator with slip rings. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. We can convert an AC generator to a DC generator by replacing the slip rings with a commutator. And that's it for this question. So guys, let's go ahead and consider the next and last question here, guys. So that's question number 4, and it says, the lead acid accumulator consists of A, hydrochloric acid as the electrolyte, B, tetroxosulfosic acid as the electrolyte, C, lead as the positive electrode, D, lead oxide as the negative electrode. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. The lead acid accumulator consists of a tetroxosulfosic acid as the electrolyte, and that's it for this question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. So guys, you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.